What's up, guys? It's Peyton here, and I got a special guest, my cousin McKenzie. Say hi.
Hi, what's up?
Okay, so we are gonna be doing a slime challenge.
Yeah, let's see who wins.
All right. First up,
The slime.
no. Yes. So we got 3 slimes. This is the first one that I actually, and I'm gonna choose this one first. So yeah, and then got this one that my cousin
Is going to have.
not yet.
We're gonna mix it, and here's
And we got
green.
This, we got like a greenish bluish slime,
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
turquoise.
Yeah, because we
It's pretty, but it's dark.
Somebody mixed it up.
Yeah. So you get the pick. The black slime
you get
or
the
this
plate.
slime?
You get the plate. Eeny, miny, miny, mo.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait, let's see.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors,
shoot.
boom! I win. The slime queen wins. Okay, so I want to choose this one. Of course,
Blue.
which one you don't choose?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, which one you don't choose?
I'm gonna choose this one.
All right, guys. This one is gonna be out. Sorry, slime. Out for this round.
Yes.
Okay, so we don't open our slimes.
Yes, slime.
So wait right quick. We are just
Let's
gonna...
open the slime. I had hard making the slime.
You didn't make the slime. I make the slime. Sorry.
Pretend like it.
No.
Please.
Fine. Okay, since she made this slime like a few
So
hours
hard.
ago, and I made this slime, it was so hard to make this. Oh, look at this art.
And you can also
stop,
stick
stop,
it.
Stop. And look at this art. The beauty slime. Okay, I'm gonna do some ACMR, guys. Look. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Look at my slime.
Yeah, show it. Look at that slime.
Look at
my
my
slime.
slime. Look at my sticky slime.
No, this is actually sticky. You cannot touch it, alright?
Okay.
I don't look how you use it. Alright, guys. Look at my slime. It's a little sticky, but that's alright. Because, yeah. I'm the sticky
Okay,
queen. She got the unsticky one because, yeah.
Okay, you see
I
mine have the old
You know,
spice.
guys, you know what? That was my first time using glitter glue. You know what? That's one of my words. I'm coming right back. You talk about your slime.
So I have glitter in my slime, and my slime is really long and pretty. So, and it's stretchy too, and I can stretch it.
All right,
And
guys.
it's black.
All right, guys. I got the borax because, yeah, it's real sticky. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in.
What did the
I'm about
borax
to pour
do?
this in. The borax makes the slime and makes it together. If it don't mix together, it will just be plain old glue. So I'm mixing the borax in right now. It works and working real good. I'm just saying that. By the time
Look at my gloopy slime on my hands.
Okay.
It's like some of the slime is sticking to me.
Ah, look at this mess. It's
Look
not
at my
working.
look at my hands. They're kind of sticky.
Look at this goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down, and I'm gonna get some of this slime and mix it with it because I do not
Want
Look at
to
this
get
slime.
messy because you make hard working that, and I make hard working this. It took me a long.
Look
You
at
know
this
how long
Play-Doh.
you know how long it took me to make this?
Okay,
hours.
I just made a new type of slime. It's called my newest specialist.
See hers, guys. In the
ya.
next video, go see hers.
All right, guys. You wanna see how I make this? Go check out the last video that I made is gonna be up here on the link. Okay, so
Comments down below.
I got my slime.
Now
Let's
wait. Are we forgetting something?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Winning.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna win.
And guys, make sure you subscribe. We forgot to do an intro. Hi guys, it's the Slime Queen here, and I got my special guest, McKenzie, my cousin.
And you see, we made the slime.
We made
that we
the
showed
slime
you.
that we already showed you. Okay, and guys, make sure you hit that like button.
Let's play
Hit
rock.
that like. No. Hit that like button. Show how you hit it. Hit that like button.
Hit that like button.
And make sure you turn on that notifications. Ding dong, ding dong.
So you can be the
guys.
next one to know.
And we are having a giveaway for an Apple Watch and a Fire Stick TV. Make sure, if you want to win it, make sure you subscribe and you hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any more of our videos. Yeah, so we, as we were saying, we got the slime that we made on the next video. Go check it out.
Yeah, it's really cool.
And my oh my god!
You put yours in mine. I dare you.
Her slime got in my slime.
No, your slime got in my slime.
Oh my god, that's so weird.
Yes.
Let's throw this piece away because we don't like that. Okay, so we don't put all these other slimes away, and we're just gonna deal with this one. We're just gonna deal with this one right now. We're just gonna deal with. Get out the camera. We're just gonna deal with this one right now. So yeah, you cannot stop building it. Okay, so you have to look at the slime, not only the camera. Whatever. Okay, so we got our slime. We are gonna do ACMR.
Yeah, let's see who wins.
Okay, so first you go first. Do ACMR.
ACMR.
Yeah, do it like this, and then like stretch and stuff. Show off your slime. So you describe your slime.
Here's my slime. It's black and glittery.
Yeah, her slime is.
You know how many it took me years and years and years to make this? It took me 20 hours to make this.
Guys, no it didn't. So let me show you my slime. Okay, so you
Mine
guys.
is gonna win.
Look at this. Look at this beauty right here. Okay, so ready? You're gonna put it right here. Okay, so.
Cooper looking at us. Cooper looking at the slime.
Woo!
Woo, it's so big and
look
goopy.
at this.
Can I feel it?
No, it's a challenge. Stop.
I touched it.
Boom, boom. This slime is amazing. It took me.
I'm the
It took me an hour.
And the winner is.
No, you don't announce the winner, because you don't say yourself.
Okay.
So I don't trust you to be the winner. And the winner is nobody. All right, guys, that was a total fail. Our judge, Miss Little Cooper, he said that we both lost. So that was a total fail. And okay, guys, see y'all.
It's my turn to judge.
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is. On the
Stop.
next video.
No.
Okay.
And make sure y'all hit that notification.
So you get the next one in line.
Make sure y'all hit that notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye.